Thanks say sweeter than honeybee. A joke TV, I eat everybody sit down and a breathe. That joke can't see from now I don't go a country. A joke TV, I eat everybody sit down and a breathe. That joke can't see from now I don't go a country.
Watch out, big word, we can't spell it. Today no spelling bee day.
Yeah, you study?
Yeah, what's the Uber writer?
Yeah, me study. Study.
Me have to study.
Yeah, fool. Me study, me I get some big word right today.
Alright. Let's see. Spelling bee.
Oh, you
When
mean?
teacher McDonald.
Hey,
McDonald.
hey.
When him again?
Yeah.
McDonald.
No, man, me remember, man. Hey, you can play the game. T.
One, two, one.
Good afternoon, students.
And
Today is spelling, and the first word for you, Mr. Skinny, is cow.
Teacher, how kind of big word that you give me? Give me one little one like mosquito, one little one.
yeah, a little mosquito.
Anyway, you, Mr. Big Joe, spell the word chicken.
Teacher.
Me can't spell it.
Tapping eyes, man. I might have to spell no, man. Tapping eyes.
Me can't spell it.
Teacher. Me can't spell chicken, you know. Chicken spell KFC. Chicken.
Anything for your teacher again, sir? What do you mean? Can't spell it.
Eat letter with the teacher give it first.
Can't spell them big word.
Don't slide.
Lord God. Anyways, we go on for lunch, man. We go on. Done for caca part.